Welcome to AI Meets Marketing, your source for the latest in AI, automation, and innovation. If you thought the first 5 were crazy, buckle up, because these next 5 Grok 3 projects will blow your mind. Sixth, deploy a Grok 3 app in under 3 minutes. Forget waiting days for a developer. Grok 3 can build and deploy your app instantly from idea to live website in minutes. Users are literally launching AI-powered apps with just a few prompts. No setup, no complicated backend. Just tell Grok what you need and boom. Code workflow automation in seconds. Need to automate boring tasks? Grok 3 can write, test, and deploy custom workflows in record time. Business owners are using it to automate emails, generate reports, even manage entire teams without writing a single script. This AI is basically replacing entire departments. AI-powered customer support, fully automated. Companies are using Grok 3 to build entire AI-driven support teams. It doesn't just respond to FAQs, it understands emotions, resolves complaints, and even follows up with customers. Human-like support, 24/7, no breaks. 9. Make a retro FIFA clone in 2 prompts. Someone literally recreated FIFA using just 2 prompts. Grok 3 generated a full playable football game, including AI-driven opponents, physics, and even custom commentary. Game development will never be the same. 10. Build an endless runner-style game. Like Subway Surfers, now you can make your own endless runner game in minutes. Grok 3 designs the mechanics, generates characters, and even creates a scoring system, all from a single conversation. Gaming industry equals shake it. And that's 10 insane ways people are using Grok 3. Which one blew your mind the most? And don't forget, Grok 3 is just getting started. Imagine what's coming next.
Subscribe to AI Meets Marketing and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.